Hey, Lucas. What's up, bro? Nothing's up, bro. Sickness did not get better. Hmm. Another day, another flu. I got my tea. Good Raphael. Good parts. Subtoxic. Hmm. Still thick? Yeah. Still thick. A lot? You never come this early. I'm actually surprised to see. What's good, George? It's good to see you. How are you? 7. Yeah, who has the remedy for being sick? I know every single family has their own like secret remedy. Well, DXY is bullish too, so we can look for shorts on Nasdaq. I know everyone has a secret family with a secret remedy, bro. I need you guys to drop your secret remedy for being sick. Just drop it in chat. I know you guys have something, bro. Don't lie to me. I know you guys do. Ginger and lemon. Valid. You put it in tea? Honey with milk? Hmm. Salt water gargle? That does help your throat. Molly. You have any honey that don't sleep, keep moving around, and you won't feel it? Bro. Tea, honey, lemon? Everyone says lemon. What does lemon have, bro? Real traders only look 1 or 2 pairs. Okay. Can you guys hear me all right if I talk like this? Did I get a trade today? Bro, we've been live for 2 minutes. I always burn my tongue on tea, and you just can't enjoy food for the rest of the week, bro. But I guess it's worth it. Market hasn't even opened its... Yeah, I know, bro. Because they're, no offense, but it's probably a signal bot. One of many, all good. Big high and low PPI. Haven't even zoomed in yet. I'll zoom in shortly. We got PPI. Yeah, everything, all the news came out already, so. What's up, Lone? What's up, Ryan? You're in longs? Good luck, bro. At least I had a decent sleep, so. I had a decent sleep. Being sick, though, hear me out. Because I'm sick, you guys all have to like stream, bro. Like, it's not because the likes, because I'm sick. You think we'll take out September low? I haven't covered bias yet. I'm just marking out key levels that I'm interested in. Time is it over here? It's 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. So, let's give it a couple minutes actually. There's no daily SIBI. That's okay. Just mark our previous day's highs and low. Same concept. If you're bearish, you'd want to see price respect Tuesday's low. Is it fine to play my bias out the VBI channel? Yeah, you don't have to look input day. What a weird formation. You got Asia and London going down, New York retracement. I like these equal lows. Whenever we have equal lows like this, I like to mark them all out in case price starts to be wonky. Or you can just zoom out when the time comes. How's your trading already put line one side? Does it to the other? I did it manually, bro. What are the two lines? I want to see if price is going to come back up here. I don't want to see it reject. That's the idea. So that's why I'm keeping it marked out. XRP, what's your opinion? Can you even day trade XRP? Looks pretty bullish, man. We'll be trading NQ. We'll be trading NQ, guys. How do you mark them? Just with the horizontal ray. This tool right here. Horizontal ray. I am Muslim, yeah. Your TikTok banned? Nope, I got it appealed again. It'll probably get banned again today. Yo, just so everyone on TikTok knows, there's a good chance I'll probably get banned again. So if I disappear, just come to YouTube. It means I got banned. Not today, Lieutenant. I'm sick. So I'm trying to drink this tea. Banned? Why? I think people keep reporting the stream, and I get temporarily banned. Then I have to appeal it, and yeah, I know. Yesterday we got banned, and we caught. I mean, we lost one and then we won one. So everyone on TikTok missed it. It's because It's because trolls, man. They just keep reporting the button, and then eventually TikTok will just temporarily take off the stream. Appreciate you, Lieutenant. How long Topstep takes for pay? Request on 27, still no updates. You request on 27 and still no updates? Brother, you definitely need to email them and ask them why it's taking so long. You probably misinformed, you probably misfilled out one of the papers. That's what happened to me. What's up, Samsung? Bias? I think I'm looking for shorts. I mean, we could look for longs towards the buy side here, or the buy side here, but overall, I'm bearish. You send it on March 5th? You gotta sign it before you. What I'm trying to say is you probably misfilled out one of the forms, Gurjeet, which means you're just gonna have to go back and just change something. So they probably don't have the correct information, so they couldn't send the money. So I just email them. Hey, rookie, my strategy is power 3. What prop do you use? Alpha futures, number 1. Number 2, top step. For Forex, I use funded by traders. What does that mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? That's my strategy, bro. Please show me your daily buys. Bearish. I'm gonna look for. I mean, I'm bearish on the day, but we might take a classic model long. I got 350K funded accounts now, not combined. Should I copy trade them all? And how many micro should I trade? Could you advise? Let me ask you, first of all, what firm? Second of all, have you ever gotten a payout before? Hmm. I could try that, Mike. I can try that. CPA data hatch from yesterday interests you? If we're bullish, yeah, that's a good objective, but I don't think I'm bullish. You can still trade A7, but if you lose money that would have taken from your payout, then you can't. Then your payout gets denied. It's better to just not trade, to be honest. Just get an eval. All right. Offset only had one payout. What I would do is probably copy trade two and then leave one for yourself. McLevin, I do have that in my bio, but yeah, maybe I need to put it on the stream. I'm not fasting today. I'm sick. All the money's gone from the account. Oh, then you're good, bro. Yeah. Once it's withdrawn, you're good. And how much in terms of risk, Emra? It's up to you. What you're comfortable with. Yes, 4 hour power of three. Just make it's just power to work every day, of course. I live stream every day. Okay, let's cover bias. So I'm only gonna say this once. Daily chart. We traded into the daily SIBI here. Rejected once. Tested today. Small move lower. On Wednesday, we closed below Tuesday's high. So on the 4 hour, it looks like we had a nice liquidity sweep inside the 4 hour and then move lower. So what do I want to see? Ideally, I think we can come out and take at least previous day's low. It doesn't mean we can't move higher. It just means I think we are going to see some movement lower today. It's also been bearish, one-sided for a really long time. No signs. There's no signs of bullish order flow on the higher time frame. Zero signs. We also have this key monthly low here. If you look at ES, the S&P 500, we put in equal lows with that monthly low. So I think that's a really good objective. So the only thing that would make me switch my bias from bearish to bullish is if we just get insane displacement higher, at which point I would say, okay, you know what? They're just going to pump this higher. If you look at DXY is also bullish. Looks like it's drawing to this big fair value gap. So DXY bullish, Nasdaq bearish. If it's the criteria. So that's daily bias. Looking at the intraday chart, not the cleanest formation of daily power of three. We have buy side here, buy side here. We have Asia highs. We could even come up and take Asia highs, in which case I look for reversal. For right now, I don't think it's going to go lower yet. I think it's going to at least take out some buy side. So for now, probably won't take a long, but unless it forms A plus, we can take a long and then look for shorts and go from there. That's pretty much the game plan for today. And we would probably target previous days equal low. I don't like that Asia and London expanded 300 points, but we got the pre-market accumulation, so hopefully we see some nice movement. There's SMT. Yeah, there's SMT in my hold. Did you tell your strategy? I trade power of three, 930 power of three. So 1 minute till market open. You guys know the drill. You have information on brokers allows you to trade futures. I recommend alpha futures personally. Okay. Good luck, shooters. All right, you guys know the drill. when I trade live, I'm going to minimize the chat. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will not be able to answer them. I'll still be here. Obviously, I'm going to be commentating. If I take a trade on my trading view screen, it means I executed it on my accounts as well. So these are the accounts. We're also like, we're pretty much one trade from passing this account, so I'm probably just going to risk a little bit higher and then just go for it. We have a lot of drawdown left, might as well just, So we'll just wait for an A+ trade, risk a little bit more, see if we can pass that account today. By the way, also, I will say quickly, we are doing a giveaway in the stream. We're doing a giveaway in the Discord. It's a free Discord. If you want to join the giveaway, it's in the Discord in the giveaway channel. So if you want to participate in that, that's all you. I'd highly recommend you guys do so. So I'll just quickly show you guys. If you guys want to join the giveaway in the Discord, simply come here, go to the giveaway section, follow these 3 steps, and then leave a reaction on this post. Winner will be announced March 17th at 11:05 a.m. So if you want a chance to win a free 100K account, you can participate in that giveaway for free. Being sick. All right. I'm just setting up the accounts here, and then we'll start reading price together. Okay, so 9:30 open. We trade lower, take out this short-term low. I don't want to see it move higher. If we get a move higher, then we can look for. Hold on, I don't know why this is here. If we get a move higher, then we can look for shorts. I'm not interested in taking the long. If we do get a CISD, you could look for a long. Not really interested in longs though. So unless a long forms like truly A+, I don't want to take a long. I do think this can go higher. So where can it go? I'm looking at right here, paired with this bearish fair value gap. So we'll leave that marked out for now. We'll see. What is your opening range gap? Wait, is it that small? Damn, your opening range gap be hella small. Close here, open here. Opening range gap's on 1 point. Okay. I couldn't even find it. Oh, this could actually go lower here. The way that formed. Looks pretty bearish. We'll see. So if it just starts to dump, we'll have to look for a continuation. For my model, we have to take out some sort of high before going lower. So if we just dump, that's okay. We just have to look for another model setup, continuation, protraction. For example, I wouldn't mind shorting this fair value gap if it forms. No fair value gap. We engineered equal lows here, but we're still stuck in a range. Just want to see the buy side get taken before we look lower. Oh, this is good. That's what I want to see. I want to see it take out this high at least. It can go even higher if it wants to. We'll look for reversal. For example, I like this stiffy right here. I'm not going to keep it marked out though. So still consolidating inside this range. No trade ideas. Going lower yet again. So it's gonna have to be a 2 micro trade, probably like the 6 micro trade here. So if we get a fair value gap here, again, we can potentially look for a continuation idea from that. We did take out this short-term high right here. I would have wanted to see it go higher, but there's no rule that says it needs to take out all the highs. Again, no fair value gap formed. Just chopping inside the range, not interested in anything here. We'll quickly rechat, see if anyone's done anything. What if we test the 690s? Yeah, we can go 690s. It's possible. Breaking MIDI. No, there's nothing here. it's too. How you feeling? Still sick. Yeah, just gotta wait it out. Wait for the macro. Wait for closer to 10. It's okay. Typical opening range stuff. Sometimes it happens. What's TikTok saying? Was he pushing hard for the UFC form yesterday? Possible. Yeah, I'm personally bearish, but I want to see. What I want to see is something like this. That would be A+ for me. Yep, my entry might be on the macro. I agree. It's pretty slow right now. You caught 60 points. Nice, bro. That's great. It's not search and destroy, guys. It's seek and destroy. You guys are funny, bro. I appreciate everyone liking and sharing the live. Someone give me 1 rose. You guys don't have to give roses. Alright, gonna minimize chat again. You have ETH changing to RTH. Oh yeah, exactly. So right where my cursor is right here, you can change it. You can also click on the settings right here. More settings. I lost it there, man. Oh, you, bro. Yep, looking for double purge right now, exactly. Double purge reversal model. Not classic, reversal. Not a 5-minute CISD. No, I wouldn't trust anything here. This does not look like a CISD at all. This is just chop. Alright, I'm gonna minimize chat again. So yeah, not much to read here. I'm just kind of waiting for a rate on buy side or sell side. Preferably buy side. I don't really want to take them long against my bias. So I probably won't. I'll probably just wait for it to set up in my favor. You just gotta be patient. Don't get any FOMO. Don't make any. It just got hella hot in here, bro, because of the tea. I'll have to go splash my face with cold water. Am I the only one who does that? I entered by accident. Bro, I used to always enter by accident because the hotkeys. You know what? I'm just going to keep chat open right now because this is boring. Straight up, we'll just keep chat open for a bit. Until it starts to move somewhere. Yeah, I removed the hotkeys, bro. I used to do that all the time. It was so frustrating. 0.5 second chart goes crazy. Yeah, you guys are cooked, bro. If you enter on the yeah, I think it'll go lower, but it might go higher before going lower. Just chopping right now. Yep, just gotta be patient. It's all good. What's up, Philip? How do you calculate your risk? Simple formula. I mean, the way I do it, I kind of do it. So what I do is I measure my stop loss in points. So let's say I'm looking at it's gonna be around 40 to 50. I already know that's gonna be 2 or 3 micros, so I'm just gonna automatically go to 2 or 3. And then once I know my exact stop loss, let's say I know it's 45. 45 times 2, it's $90. I just do quick math. 90 times 3 is 180. That's the closest I'll get to 200, and then go from there. So I just do it quick math. Quick maths. Unfortunately, quick maths is probably the fastest way to do it, bro. Because if you take out a calculator or you start doing this shit, and then you're gonna miss the trade, bro. You know, you kind of just have to calculate it. I'm 10K funded. Should I buy the 100K or 200K account? On Alpha, I would just get the 100K, bro. Bullish or bearish? I'm looking for shorts. Oh, 90 times 3? Oh, shit. Quick math will not work this time. Next time. 90 times 3 is 270. You guys right. My fault. Quick math would have over leveraged us. Should I hold this? No, just go break even and pray. I mean, realistically, you should just close. It's building bad habits, but all right, one time, one mistake, never happens again. I would just go break even and look for a good trade. He said quick. Yeah, I never said good math. I said quick math. What does your rule say? Points and not ticks? What do you mean points and not ticks? How you doing in Forex? It's been a while since I've taken a trade in Forex. Bro, unfortunately, I already finished my tea. Throat does not feel better. Like a bullish flag. Those don't exist, brother. Breaker. No, there's nothing here. Just wait, guys. It might go lower, Cairo, but that's fine. But listen. Oh man, I wish everyone here could just realize that The P&L literally does not matter. You fuck with Toss-Up? Yep, Toss-Up's my number 2, personally. Where's the dude that said go long? Someone's always going to come in here and say the opposite of me, bro. It just says what it is. Throw code, dude. That's what I'm trying to do. Exactly, but look, let this go. Bro, let this go down and offer 0 retracements. Give me absolutely no entry. Hit all of my levels. I promise you I won't. I still will not care. That's a lie. I will care. But you gotta just let it go. This is first presentation for value gap, yes. Look, you just gotta relax, you know? Like, you just gotta do, like, your job. Listen, everyone in stream right now, you have a job today. You don't care about anything else. You're a man. You just come here and you do your job. Your job is to trade your model. It's not to make money. It's not to take 2 trades. It's not to get a pay. It's not to pass your account. Your job is to do your money. You can only get paid if you do your job every day. Otherwise, you don't get paid at the end of the month. Simple as that. All right. You're here to do your job. I'm here to do my job. My job is to look for this protraction short. All right. I don't know what your job is. Maybe you're looking for longs or some shit. I don't know. That's me though. I'm looking for a protraction short. How can it be so choppy yet form this nice 15-minute bear trade like that? All right. I like this color. So this is your first FEG. Maybe it's going to offer us a shorting opportunity. So like, for example, when I'm calculating risk, I say, okay, let's say we tap into here and then we get something like this. My risk would probably be around 45 points. So again, it would have to be a 2 micro trade on the funded. On the eval, we're just going to over risk. So we're just here to do our job, guys. We're not here to do anything else. In trading, you don't get paid every day, right? You get paid at the end of the month. You can only get paid at the end of the month if you follow your job, if you do your job. If you don't do your job every day, you don't deserve to get paid. Understood. Do you have any discount codes for top? Nah. TopStep hasn't given a discount code in like 8 months, bro. Like, TopStep did not be giving discount codes. Yep, I like London lows. I like even lower than London lows, to be honest. I'm gonna have to wait here for a model. Okay. Not quite, but almost traded into that first presentation. Give me one more tick higher. We did trade into this OB, but I do want to see it tick a little bit higher. So this could be your high of session right here. FUG breakaway gap. It's possible. If this was a cleaner order block, then I would have looked for this short, but because it's not clean, I'm not about to short it and then it just touches higher. Like, I wait, you know. Rather just wait. Best forex firm that allows US, I would use funded by traders personally. How to connect TopStep? You have to get a TradeAbate account if you want to connect it to TradingView, if that's what you're asking. Listen, I'll answer all of your guys' questions, but I just cannot do it while I'm trading. So if you have questions, please just hold them to the end. I gotta focus on the charts. So Just put an SMT here, short-term SMT. I don't think it's going to hold, but that could maybe see us move a little bit higher first. ES more bearish. Keep that in mind for sure. ES more bearish, but the equal lows are cleaner on NQ. So we'll keep that in mind. We are forming the 15 in 10 minutes, so 10 a.m. continuation idea could be nice. ES making lower lows. In the FMT right now. Nice. So the best thing that could happen, we trade into here. Next candle comes down, closes lower, and we take a trade like this. That would be the best thing. There it is. We traded into it. I'm not going to leave an order there. Mm-hmm. 15-second OB formed. Looks like you might have had to just leave an order there. Damn, this thing's going, bro. It's not a good fill. I can't enter there. Maybe on the next candle if it trades up. We could try this breakaway gap right here. Kind of hesitated, but the fill wasn't that good. Now I'm looking at this price range for an entry, and there wasn't really much. I guess we could have trusted the 15-second CISD. I'm looking for an entry here. The criteria has been met. Just trying to get a good fill. ES has a small fair value gap right there. I want to see if it touches. We could just trade a little higher. Put the stop here. We could always just wait as well. We'll see. We might have just missed it. And that's okay. We could have just taken it here. Had to just trust it. I was a little bit skeptical, but yeah. I don't mind like putting a stop loss here on a breakaway gap. Look at that reaction off first presentation. So nice. Such a beautiful reaction. This candle trades into the OB. Like I should have shorted it right there. That's where I hesitated. This right here, this touch should have been a short. That's where I hesitated. Yeah, 100%. That's where I hesitated. So now we have to wait for a retracement. No, I don't use gallows. M15 FEG? No, I think that's too high up. You took the short? No. No fill. If I take a trade, you guys will see. I was hovering it. I just kind of hesitated. I wanted to short it like in this candle's range. Hesitated though. I hesitated. And looks like we might have missed it. That's okay though. We'll see if it retraces. We can look for another entry opportunity. Like maybe the 2 minute if it wants to come back now. That'd be nice. So just waiting for something like this. It might just stay heavy. One entry opportunity. You sell it right there, and that's it. Yeah, there it goes. Gonna take out our first TP. Give it stay low, equal lows. Yeah, it is what it is. Good job, LG. Nice. If you caught that, well done, guys. Yeah. TP hit 2.2K. Well done, brother. Took one right after New York Open. Nice. We missed it. Yeah. You that was going down too, bro. Don't hesitate. Yep. You're right. Just made 2.5. Nice. London. Not possible. Slow retracement higher. No, I wouldn't look for longs. Would not look for longs. So now it's simple what we're waiting for. I need to see a retracement into a fair value gap. Preferably the 5 minute, I'd say. And we go from there. That would have been our first TP. Damn, that would have been a really good trade. Let's say I even took it here. Something like this. TP. And then where's... I actually think this has the potential to go all the way down. The stock, I don't even want to look at the stock market. It's probably still red. Wow. Tesla's down 5%. There's your TP on yes, about to hit. And where's that September low we talked about? Best case scenario, yeah. That's okay. See what chat's saying. You missed it. Yep, we missed it. I was hovering the sell button. I just didn't click it. I hesitated. And we paid the price, right? I was I just couldn't get myself to click it. I just wanted to see a little bit more confirmation on the 15-second, and it just didn't form, you know? It is what it is. It is what it is. To be fair, I will say it didn't really form that clean. So if you guys want to see what I was looking at the time of entry, this is what I was looking at. So usually in my model, right here, I was looking for the short. So as soon as this happened, I was looking for my short, right? As soon as this candle closed below, I wanted to see, okay, maybe this pulls up a little bit higher because of the fill. But in all honesty, the fill was pretty good. I should have just taken it right there. This is where my trade should have been. This should have been my trade. This would have been 5R. I should have just taken this. It met the criteria, right? The CISD from the... That's what I was looking at. And then I saw this candle. I was like, I didn't click it right there. So, okay, let me wait one more candle. This candle goes, takes the low. So then I'm like, okay, maybe this candle... I should just click sell. Reading way too much into it. I was bearish. We touched the level I was looking for. Obviously, should have just clicked sell. But it's okay. I mean, maybe we still have an hour. Doesn't mean we can't continue lower. I do think we have lower objectives, possibly. That would have been a partial only. So, I mean, let's see. Let's see. We have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. We'll align with the 10 a.m. hour, so we can maybe get a nice continuation. You can't let that influence the rest of your session, right? We're still here to do the same thing, right? We're just here to do our job. That's it. So this 5 minute might stay as a breakaway, to be honest, though. Yeah, besides this, it's pretty much a clean run to the sell side, so there isn't really much level to take partial at. Either hold it or, I guess, look for something on the left. All right, so 10 minutes about to come. We do have a nice 5 minute. We have a 3 minute there as well. Ideally, we do trade into the 5 minute, but we'll see. So if this high is protected, we're looking at this range. Oh, don't just dump at 10 a.m., bro. That would be lame. We took a low. That's okay. So engineer low. Totally fine with that. I actually want to see that. Where you can trade up higher here potentially and then look for continuation idea maybe. You got in around, yeah, if you got in, you see at times like this, you just kind of have to know, like, you just know, like, man, this is going lower. It's okay if I just take an entry relatively close to where I wanted it, you know? Nothing wrong with that. Unless you have a rule where it says, like, you have to take limit order entries only, which I think would be a dumb rule. Can you explain why your bias was short? I can talk about that later. Yeah, bias was short because the daily chart was telling me bearish, right? But I can explain that later. For now, I'll keep focusing on the chart, see if we can find a continuation. Yeah, the 15 is just way too high up. We could see some consolidation now. It's not an A+ trade anymore, but I wouldn't mind if we get something like this to put some risk behind it. Maybe on the eval, not the funded, but we'll see. Or just size down on the funded a little. If it forms nicely, we'll see. So looking at this price range, making the argument that we're not likely to take out this high. That would have really been a banger if we took that 6R. But it is what it is. But what I want to see now is I want to see a bullish fair value gap form. And, you know, to be honest, we can't really be upset with ourselves for missing that. Like, that was really fast, you know? It really was fast. It literally ticked, immediately dumped. Next candle, you had about 10 seconds to click sell as this candle trades higher. And at that point, it's gone. You could have taken it here. Then the stop loss is 63 points. At that point, it's kind of like, is this even a close entry at this point? Because the difference between those two is 30 points. That's a 30-point slip, right? That's no joke. 30-point slip is no joke. All right, I want to see a bullish fair value gap, just like I said. Bullish fair value gap coming in inside the range. And then a strong inversion, leaving the range. All right, there's your touch of the 5 minute. Now we wait for confirmation that it's going to continue lower. And it may not continue lower, by the way. We already took out previous day low. That was our objective going in for the day. So now we're looking for signs that it can go even lower. It may not. It may not go lower. Personally, I think it will, but I mean, that's why we have a model. I want to see this bullish fair value gap form. I don't want to take this as an OB. I want to take it as an inversion. Oh, don't do this to me. Just form. No, stop. Stop going. Dope. We could scan the 15-second as well, I guess, but I would really prefer this just form as a bullish fair value gap. Of course, it's not going to form. I mean, I'll scan. If we get a 15-second OB, like that's pretty much just as good, but I would really rather it be an inversion. I would really rather it be an inversion. ES also touched the 5 minutes, so we're we touched premium, put it in the inversion. So if we can get a trade like this, maybe not the best risk to reward, but we could just look for a 2R, for example. Keep it small. You never know how low. I don't know how low this is going to go, if it's going to continue. It's really hard to say. Okay, next we get a move higher. That's fine. I don't want to see us take out this high. I don't want to see us take out that high. Why is BXY rejecting? Didn't even take out the high. This has to be fake. BXY just started dumping. Weird. No, I'm not reading comments. Guys, when I'm trading, I don't read the comments. I like to focus on the chat. I mean, I like to focus on the charts. I don't want to misread something on the charts because I'm reading chat. I like to focus up and give accurate commentary. So if we're going to touch the high, this red box, 5-minute SIBI, I don't want to see an immediate reaction. It can trade up into there. Just wouldn't want to see it hold. I'm going to scan the 30-second here. There's a very nice 30-second fair value gap. If we inverse that, I'll probably short. Let's say we close there. We have 50-point stop loss. I'll probably 1 micro that on the funded, and then like, wait. So hold on. It's $200 risk. So 3 micros here. At 600, 2R past the account. Call it 4. I'm watching the 30-second here. Also, I don't mind if we put in the 1 minute. We can inverse that as well. Ideally, we don't trade any higher into this red box, but if we do, we can demand an immediate reaction. So ES almost completely filling it in. Needs to inverse. No inversion, no trade. No, no inversion. So no trade. Remember, we already took out previous day's low. All right, so I'm not just going to sell it in this 5-minute SIBI. We don't know if it's going to continue lower. We have to see signs that it's going to continue lower. How do you know it's going to continue lower? From premium to discount, you want to see some discounted rate get disrespected. In this case, it's fair value gap. So if we can respect something higher and disrespect something lower, you get a high probability trade. The 15 is always in question too, but it's very high up. I don't want to. That's a deep retracement. I wouldn't expect that, but you never know. It's small SMT right here right now. This candle closes through. I'll short 50-point stop loss. So yeah, it'll be 2. And unfortunately, no displacement lower. I don't really want to. I don't want to see it go any higher. This like the high, this red box is pretty much the most I could expect. Any more than that, I'm skeptical about the trade. Yeah, if we get the 10-minute immediate rebalance and then maybe go lower, it's fine. It's fine to do that. Next 10-minute candle open dump. Immediate rebalance on ES. ES has a 10-minute fair value gap right here as well. I suppose we can mark that out. Oh, we just know that it's there. All right, 10-10 candle. 10 candle. So this 10-minute candle we're trading, I want to see it form an OB, meaning close below here. So if we're bearish on the 10-minute candle, I want to sell near the open. So say it does something like this, that would be the best. But if it gives us the inversion, like I said, I'll take it. Even though we have a bullish fair value gap here, that's actually kind of risky. It all depends on how convinced I am in the bias. I'll probably just decrease risk a little bit. So I'll only take 1 micro on the funded if we get the 1-minute inversion here, because it looks good on the 5, but hopefully it just doesn't inverse, right? If it inverses the 1 and respects, it should just inverse if it's going to go lower. Let's see, this 1-minute, 3-minute fair value gap is a little bit iffy. Put our stop at the 10-minute candle high, which would be right here. So if we can get a fill like this, 37 points, I mean, we can do 2 micros on that. As long as it doesn't go too crazy. Okay, now we're back at 44 points. The closure below this level would be a good confluence. Look at that wick. I'm cautious in that wick. I'm going to sell this as it starts ticking down. All right, let's get in here. Oh yeah, we just bottom ticked that. We just bought. I'm gonna close this trade, guys. Yeah, I'm immediately closing that trade. Yeah, we literally bottom ticked that long. Sorry, bottom ticked that short for long. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to take the high. We close that immediately. So minus $50 on the funded. Yeah, absolutely not. That was not. As soon as you see that pulse, I knew damn well that this was gonna go higher. I didn't even get filled here. The hell? I literally clicked sell. We took a loss, guys. Minus $50 on the funded. I closed that trade immediately. ES never gave us the inversion, so I mean that was a red flag. So it's a good thing we did one. Anyways, no worries. Now we look for the CISD here. Same idea. I'm still bearish. It hasn't been invalidated. It's only invalidated if we inverse this fair value gap. So I don't mind looking for a short still. Yeah, if you're bullish, you can look for longs. You don't need me to convince you. What's up, Rue? Oh, what's up, Rue? I don't usually have chat open, Rue, because I was like trying to focus up, but I just opened chat. I saw your name. What's up, bro? Hope you're doing good, brother. All right, if this inverses, we take it. If Then we get filled here, stop at the high. Yeah, it'll be a 2 micro trade. We can get away with 5 micros on this. It should be 4 micros realistically. Yeah, no signs of bearish order flow. No signs of bearish order flow. Still 100% looking bullish for now, so no worries. We just wait. Is it gonna range today? Was that it? Just previous day low? We're not gonna take out that daily low? Possible. I guess we can mark out the 15 and see what that wants to do. It's a pretty deep retracement though. ES, we have SMT here now. So we have an SMT here. I don't think we can continue lower, but I mean, we'll see. We inverse the 5. I don't think that SMT holds. We're in pretty deep premium. So this is a 10 a.m. candle reversal, which means if I'm going to look for a short now, I actually have to see a CISD. I'll probably demand a CISD. So we're going to touch the 15-minute SIBI. Also first presentation again, most likely. We touched it on ES. Very deep retracement, but the video is actually green today. What's DXY doing? What's this? I'm not trading. Okay. It's longs, no problem, bro. Go long. Appreciate you, Rue. Appreciate you. Relative equal highs above. Yep, there are relative equal highs above. So if you're bullish, that's a great objective. I'm $1 away from passing a Telstra account. I was done. I ripped the exact. No, forgot commission. That's okay, bro. Just $1. Just trade one mic, bro. Genuinely, this is what you do. I'm gonna tell you the strategy. Go to like the 5-minute chart. Wait for a candle. Like I'll tell you, bro. Like this candle, bro. Genuinely, just click buy, bro. Just click buy. TP like right here, or click sell. TP right here. You need like one. You need 1 point, bro. I would just short the macro. So you would have been there. TP hit, bro. Am I seeing a full reversal? To be honest, I still think it can go lower. I mean, like all we're doing now is we're trading into the 15-minute mitigation block, 15-minute SIBI. I can't really be bullish just yet, but I think a lot of people in chat are bullish, so. So this is pretty much your last place where you can look for shorts from. Yeah, I mean, like we did say, right? We did say it doesn't need to go any lower than previous day low. I said I do think it does, but it doesn't. It wasn't the highest probability draw. The highest probability draw was previous day low, right? To get out of that range. I still think it can go lower, but I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I will demand a break or CISD for shorts now, though. Even if we get S&P to high, that's fine. Look to short that internal taking down. But after trying to upload traders and pass today. You passed in 2 days? Or how long did it take to pass? Also, did you use the code? PA trash? No, it's not trash. Come on, bro. You guys gotta stop blaming PA, man. It's 2025, bro. You guys are still blaming PA, bro. The market doesn't owe you anything. How are you gonna blow PA? You get an advanced or standard? Might get another account. I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to plan to pass this account today, but I guess we could try it tomorrow. Will 40% off come again in alpha? Maybe after March, because right now they have a March promotion for advanced accounts. So I don't think they'd run 2 promotions in the same month. I don't know. Maybe something will happen in March. You check gold? Sure, I'll take gold. This chart looks awful. I'll tell you right now, man, if gold doesn't touch all-time highs again, why would I want to go for the advanced? It's all preference. You should get a little bit more. You should get a little bit more out of it. Personally, I use a standard though, but it's up to you. 1 R from passing the funded. There you go. Just risk half. Go for a 2 R. How many accounts do I trade? Right now, I'm trading 4 accounts. No, you shouldn't have problems with the 40% consistency. Just don't full port. That's literally it. Just follow your risk management plan. Even if you catch like 3-4 R trades, it's fine. Just follow your risk management plan. I mean, worst case, you just have to make a little bit more money. Not really a big deal. No, we didn't take any trades yet. Not on the funded. No, we didn't take anything on the funded. Oh, we took one. We took a $50 loss. I immediately closed the trade after I realized how bad that trade was. That's the second time I've done that this week, but this time was actually valid. The last time wasn't really valid. Like we're down so little, I'm not even gonna count it. I mean, yeah, we got a full 5-minute CISD. Start to question, then maybe it's bullish, for sure. Could you argue that the 2022 model for longs or shorts? See, now I'm second guessing. Now this is where bias is gonna play a really big role because hold on, let's minimize chat here and focus up. This is where bias is gonna play a really big role because if we're bearish, we'd want to see a CISD below this level and look for shorts. If we're bullish, we'd want to see a retracement into this level and then a confirmation of continuation. So we're basically looking for a move to the same level. And then if we execute at that level, it's really going to come down to bias. That's a lot of upside displacement. ES is not going to take previous day low. Like ES is still bearish, man. Engineer equal lows. Possible. We're inside of a 15-minute SIBI. I feel like I'd rather align with the 15-minute SIBI than just 5-minute order flow. We did get the 5-minute CISD though from previous day's low. It's tough to say. Honestly, it's tough to say. Might just have to wait. Not take the reversal, just wait for more price action. Do I lower my risk after gifting the account? What do you mean? Asia high and then reverse again? That's a lot of moves. That's a lot of movement. You bullish or bearish? To be honest, it's not clear to me anymore. I was bearish till previous day low. It got taken. I thought we'd get a continuation, which we still can. That's a really deep retracement though. Like this is what I'm trying to say. 2 scenarios are going to happen. We come here, we close below, we touch, and we go lower. Scenario 2, we come here, and we get an inversion, and we go higher. That's why I'm a little bit iffy. I don't know. It's not clear. That's why I'm a little bit iffy. I don't know what I'm looking for yet. I need more information. I need more information. It looks really bullish. SMT at New York Open and a breaker, then I'll trust it a little bit more. But for now, this looks like it's gonna take out the buy side. Like the reason I'm iffy because I'm just surprised we don't take out this daily low. But I guess we don't have to. We did take out sell side. That's the part that is like not sitting right with me. I would have really expected us to take out this daily low just from the bearish fair value gap, which we still can, but I guess it doesn't have to happen today, right? That's another thing. I mean, it could also happen in PM session, for example. Let's see, we have an SMT here for now. I want to see, do we get a breaker CISD? Either way, we would have looked for longs right now, so we either wait to be convinced for shorts or no trade. First step would be to inverse this fair value gap. Second step would be the breaker. So this TP would have been a really good TP then. So if anyone did take that short, I hope you TP'd, or at least took something off at previous day low. What's good, Zamu? Where do you see CRT? I don't want to ever hear that. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Market ruined you this week. It's okay, bro. I mean, yo, listen. You can't really blame the market, right? Market never owed you anything. It didn't tell you to trade. You simply traded and lost. You know? It just is what it is. Not a bad idea, Heath. Trying to catch a piece of the pie, risk-free. Yeah, this candle's slow. It's not forming with speed lower. So probably doesn't continue lower. It gave you a lot of opportunities, you know? People always be blaming the markets, bro. PAS. Market cooked me. Markets have been ass. Shitty PA. Ain't no one told you to take a trade, bro. Pass my first account, funded with good risk management, and risk funded with bad management. What should I feel? Pass my first account, with good risk management, and account. It's not even about favoring shorts at this point. I won't even look for a long from this high up. It's really hard to take a long here, but 1 minute breaker from a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. S&T at the highs, higher time frame draws, lower probably. Can't complain. Can't complain about this one. 50-point stop. All right, we'll try this probably. We'll try it. Obviously, depending on how this candle closes. All right, we shall try the short here. Okay. It's so risky because the 5-minute BISI, but I genuinely feel like we're getting faked out. Not the most confident, but model formed. I am more bearish than bullish. And you can't be scared of losing, right? So we took the 5-minute bullish fair value gap there. Looking to see this 1-minute hold. We can record this one too. So 15-minute SIBI. We got the S&T at the highs. We got a breaker. Strong displacement. Looking for this bearish fair value gap to hold. That one right there. Very, very strong candle. Very, very strong candle. If we inverse this fair value gap, we can add one. Oh. So I only went in with 1 micro on the funded. So 4 micros on the eval, 1 micro on the funded. What's the fair value gap? ES has a fair value gap actually. So looking at ES, want to see this inverse. If ES inverses, then we can add one on NQ. Want to see closure below this level. That will confirm a move lower. Should be a bearish order block. I feel like whenever I draw this blue line, it never goes below. You know what? I'm not gonna actually whatever. That's all hindsight here stuff. Closure below this level, would this be acting as a bearish order block? So we're shorting from this 15-minute SIBI. We have S&P at the highs, retrace to New York open. And midnight opening price, we got a nice breaker, nice CISD with the fair value gap. We're in premium of the daily range. So I want to see this continue lower. At least towards a discount. And then if best case scenario, we take out sell side. Best case scenario, we take out that daily low all the way down there. Gonna add one there. So now we're in with regular risk. This is what I normally risk. I want to see it close below this level. I guess we could have waited for that close. That would have been better, but I mean, it's not like we're increasing risk, right? It's just the regular risk. We got the inversion on ES. Low at least. I see a nice follow through. Look at 10-minute bullish fair value gap right under us. If we want to play safe, we could trail the stop really quickly and aggressively because of that 10-minute fair value gap. But we'll just see how this goes. It's kind of slowing down now as well. Where's 10:30? Yeah, we have a nice 10:30 open as well. It's possible. What's the 30-minute looking like? Not bad. It's also just taking way too long, right? Shouldn't be this slow. Mm-hmm. We just touched the 10-minute bullish fair value gap. I think we can trail our stop to the 10:30 high here. I'm gonna trail the stop there. That's your 10:30 candle high. I don't want to see the 10:30 candle flip. So 10:30 candle, that's the high of it. See if we can get to this discount low. I know we're inside of a 10-minute bullish, but we'll just leave this for now. That candle doesn't have a high, kind of a red flag. Probably partial at this low. So I'm just kind of cautious about this 10-minute fair value gap. I guess we'll mark it out here and just see how price starts to move inside of it. So this is your 10-minute SIBI. You can trail the stop some more, right? OB opening price. I like the stop where it is. All right, so we managed to reduce our risk pretty significantly. I'm happy with that. I'm cautious here on this 10-minute. I am cautious here because we could be wrong about this idea. See this 2-minute inversion, for example. So let's just mark out, let's refine this 10-minute into a 3-minute and see if we can inverse it. So something like this. We have an OB here. Yeah, the stop's fine. Stop's pretty good, I'd say. We did not inverse it on the 2. Gap correct annotation. I mean, looks pretty good. Standard deviations here for those who like to see. I mean, if we partial here, pick off 200 and then we have 28 to 54. It would be break even if we partial right now. We did not inverse the 3-minute. I want my partial to be at the discount low. Not even trying to think about the P&L. Just kind of needs to do what makes sense. We also have this fair value gap right here. We can mark that out. That looks a little bit better. All right, we're gonna take a partial. I can't think about the P&L. It makes sense to partial here. I'm gonna partial here. So small partial there. Took 2 off. Just a small partial. So we're pretty much break even on this trade now. Good discount low. Can't really partial on this funded, man. Like this funded. We partialed on the funded as well. I mean, I have to, right? It makes sense. It can the fact that we only took 2 micros on the funded. That's why I didn't really want to partial. But yeah, it makes my system says partial. I can't really be hesitating on that decision, right? You just got to do it. Don't even have to be thinking about it. Just partial it. So I want to see this inverse. If it doesn't inverse, it's obviously kind of a red flag. ES already inversed, but we're about to put in an SMT here in premium. I did take 2 contracts. So I originally took 1, and I added 1 more. Just scaled into the position. To be honest, I'm kind of just looking for the sell side now. I don't really see myself taking another partial unless it's at this level. Yeah, so this really was a retracement, huh? I mean, obviously, we don't know yet for sure, but we inverse the 10. Could always look for another entry to add in. So, for example, if we put in a 5-minute bearish here, retrace, inverse, I'll add one there. I don't mind adding. As long as our stop loss makes sense. Our stop loss is, man, it's a pretty good stop loss, can't lie. It should be probably a little bit higher. But I mean, it covers the majority of this inversion, so no, I mean, it should be good. Oh, we're actually almost, how much more do we need to pass? I don't even, 500, 500 divided by 2 is 250. 250 divided by 4 is 50. So what's 50 points? We don't even need it to go all the way down for TP. We just need like something like this. I mean, we'll just make it work, I guess. We don't even know if it's a winning trade yet. Don't get too antsy. We do get that SMT here. That could be another partial. I always say SMT partial. I'll probably go break even here because of the SMT. I'm not gonna partial it. So we can see. I'm not gonna partial this SMT because I'm still bearish. But I'll go break even and protect myself. So for now we have an SMT there. I'll go break even and protect myself. Hate being sick, bro. 1 hour candle looks sus. That is a crazy 1 hour candle, bro. You ain't wrong about that one. He was not wrong about that one, brother. I mean, we're approaching the 1050 macro. I don't even mind if I get hit break even. I'll just look for a re-entry. Five minutes until the macro. I don't mind if we just store until then. Our stop's pretty safe, I'd say. Hopefully this just makes my life a little easier. Don't want to really look for a re-entry. This is your 5-minute SIBI. So we're trading into a 5-minute SIBI right now. I'll mark that out. If we can respect the SIBI and this old inversion, that'd be really nice. We also have this old OB. How's my fill on the other account? I got way better fill on TradingView. I gotta make sure I execute on this platform first. On TradingView first. So just want to see this 5-minute form an OB, in which case the macro will probably deliver the OB to sell side. That's what I'm kind of looking for right now. So 5-minute bearish fair value gap, forming an OB. Next 5-minute candle hopefully goes lower, or maybe this just goes lower right now. I would have expected it more in the macro, but so if we form the OB, there's your OB. 2 minutes probably cleaner. Yeah, 2 minutes a little bit cleaner there. Probably expect this to flush either now or inside the macro. Macro's 1050 to. Want to see closure below these lows, engineered lows, right? We should see speed below these lows if we're gonna go lower. It should be fast. Should be fast. This is engineered low. I always want to see speed below engineered lows. This would also form a mitigation block. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. Lacking speed right now. 2 minutes until the macro. We'll see if the macro can deliver. I want to see it flush. Shouldn't be slow. It's slow, that means we might get a little move higher again. This means it's engineering another low, which is fine. We're not at really any key level to reverse from. I mean, okay, we're inside this old fair value gap on the left side of the chart. For the most part, I want to see this curve complete. That candle doesn't have a high yet. This candle also doesn't have a high. This could be another partial, but it's so slow now. It was way more volatile up here. Hopefully the macro can add some volatility. 10.50. I mean, still looks bearish. We formed a 10-minute bearish fair value gap up there. We might trade up into that. Looks like we will trade into that. So 10-minute bearish fair value gap. I'll annotate that as so. Stop should be safe. Our stop is kind of inside the 10-minute candle, but we shouldn't trade too high up into this anyways. In fact, if we get an inversion here, we can add. We can always get stopped out and re-enter too. I'm still bearish. I'll close the position here and look for a re-entry. I'm going to look for a re-entry on this inversion. I'm going to look for a re-entry. Because the re-entry opportunity already presented itself, it doesn't make sense to just hold it and hope. I just close the position, look for re-entry if it offers. If it doesn't, we walk away. All good. Would have stopped us out anyways. So for re-entry, I want to see this inverse. Is equal lows. I want to see this inverse. We'll look for another entry. 2 minutes cleaner. And maybe it just doesn't, you know. Maybe that move was simply to the discount low, and that's it. And we took our partial. It is what it is. If you guys are not in the Discord, we're doing a giveaway in the Discord. Completely free. Simply have to join, go to the giveaway section, follow these 3 steps, right? These 3 steps, and you're entered a giveaway. Winner will be announced March 17th automatically by the Discord bot. So as long as you did the 3 steps, you can win the giveaway. We're giving away a 100K Alpha Futures account. So if you want to participate in the giveaway completely free, you can go ahead and do so. No, partials did not. But why would I partial if it's gonna pass the eval? Why would I keep it? Why would I keep the trade? No, we did not pass the eval. We're still 2R away. Good trade management. I don't mind. Had to manage the trade. I got cut. Could have taken partials. Couldn't take partials. You're still sick. Yeah. How did your trade go? We took a partial, and then we closed the rest in slight profit. How long have you been trading this eval for? It's been about a week, maybe a week and a half. I guess the end of this week would be 2 weeks. See if we get the inversion here. Wick off the 10-minute. We touched the 10-minute breaker. So if we get an inversion here, we can look for a short. Maybe we get entered here. Pretty much will be a similar trade. Well, maybe we can do slap another 4 micros on it. Can't be too hasty, but we can scan for a re-entry opportunity. We engineered equal lows. This would be your inversion. So we took a small win, and then we're looking for a re-entry here. See if we can catch another leg down. If it forms, the model. You have a large 2-minute bearish bullish fair value gap, but I'm looking at this 1 minute here. I want to see how this candle prints. We might just have to wait for the 2-minute candle. I like these equal lows. I have to wait for the close. I'm not about to break rules. Gotta wait for the close. Obviously, we have this fair value gap here as well. I mean, we can still take it even if it closes like here. Still fine. Take it with 3. Yeah, should be more than enough. Just chill. There'll be a 1 micro trade on the funded though. 1 micro trade on the funded. All right, I'm in with 1 micro. In with 1 micro on the funded. And with 4 micros on the eval. Didn't break any rules, stayed patient, can't complain. Now we just want to see if we're correct or incorrect. You can probably get away with a little bit smaller of a stop loss. Let's call it 475. I mean, it's either going to inverse and flush, or it's not going to inverse and it's going to come back and stop us out, right? So there shouldn't be much like back and forth. Pretty simple. 2 minutes. Let's just mark out the 2 minute and make this more visually appealing. I'm not going to partial out those equal lows. You could. Wait, what just happened? I never entered here? Whoops. I never even entered on the eval. All right, well, I got a really bad fill, but that's okay. I never even entered on the eval. You need to stop entering on TradingView first. Make sure I enter. Someone needs to remind me, bro, because I always forget. ES is making lower lows. NQ is not making lower lows. But yeah, I need to stop entering on TradingView first and actually enter on my funded account and evaluation accounts first. They're obviously more important than the TradingView. Just realized I think we under risked by accident. Yeah, I didn't calculate my risk correctly. We can look for a re-entry. Maybe we can add or something. Look to add 2. Oh, maybe not. Maybe we just get stopped out immediately. This will be the last trade if we do get stopped out. Last trade of the morning session, at least. I want to give my stop a little bit more room, just on that candlestick's high. Since we are getting a deep retracement. I mean, we did inverse there, so. We inverse the bullish one, we put in a bearish one, and we re-inverse the bullish one, and inverse the bearish one. It's funny. Look at that, how that printed on the 2-minute. Looks like we might get out here. Be a break-even day. Could have managed the positions a lot better. Could have been a lot better, but I mean, we did pretty good. That candle doesn't have a low, so I mean, eventually it'll come back and trade below it, but I'm not going to increase my stop loss. Didn't technically re-inverse the 2, so hasn't been invalidated, but that's a very deep retracement, so probably expect the next candle to re-inverse. Good day overall, though. Good day overall. I mean, I still think we can take out these lows eventually, but it might be a PM session. Might be a PM session thing. Probably gonna take a nap today. I hate being sick, man. Being sick is the worst thing possible in this world. I wish it upon nobody. I hope you guys all have amazing health, bro. SL's weird. SL covers an inversion of the 2. It's always where I put my stop loss on inversions. This is going back to your entry, trust me. I don't think so, but I mean, we'll see. You've been sick for like 5 days now? Bro, it's been 1 day. I got sick yesterday, bro. What are you talking about, brother? Diddy, if you can hear me, formed a 2-minute bullish there. That inverses, that would be absolutely crazy. Because then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 inversions. That would be a very strong balanced price range. Here we touched the 2-minute. Let's see. Why can't we get one of those Diddy candles like this one, but in my direction? That'd be great. I need tea, guys. My throat feels like a cactus. I love being the point where I went down the internet. I'm proud because I stuck the system. Yeah, I mean, it's what it is, bro. You can't be scared of losing. You can't be sad about losing, man. Losing, like, what? What are you crying about, bro? You lost the trade on a funded account, bro. PP? Oh, sell side. PP will be sell side. But I mean, this trade is not looking good, so We'll see. The reason I'm saying it's not looking good because you don't want to see a deep retracement like this. Right? If you're gonna see a deep retracement, now I'm starting to consider that this possibly just goes. Even if the trade eventually plays out, it can stop me and play out. It can go sideways. That's the idea. Looks like we might get the boot here. Honey and lemon in the microwave. Afternoon session shorts. Afternoon session shorts. Yeah, we can look for afternoon session. What can I say right now, bro? Session shorts. What is the color of your screen? What? What are you talking about? It makes shorts. My stop loss is the second candle high, the inversion. That's where I put my stop losses on inversions. Fuck with you, bro. Appreciate you, bro. 930 shorts at 70% win rate. Last 3 weeks is gambling, but damn, we're doing the back testing. Bro, I got stopped, but he didn't. Nah, bro. Didn't touch my stop. I mean, we probably still will, but I got caught in the SMT. What does that mean? Are we about to have a heroic stop loss moment? That'd be great. I have a question. If you're in 1,000 drawdown, then you get up to $300, what will happen in your account? Do I even take this inversion now? Is this actually going to play out? I feel like I don't even deserve this win if it goes lower. You will win this trade? Someone said to me, I mean, I don't know, man. This is very sloppy delivery nonetheless. Like, if I was on a live account, I'll tell you right now, I would close this trade. But low key, it's pretty heroic if this was to play out now. I'm not gonna lie. So we just kind of have to hold. This would just be like a heroic moment. Like, you know? And if this inverts, I'll add on the eval. I'll add on the eval. I don't care. I mean, I don't know. I do care. It makes sense too. I'll add on the eval here if it inverses. Yeah, we were 1 tick away. All right, we have the correct risk now on the evaluation account. Where are the people that were saying long? There's always going to be like at least half the chat going against me. Just because if I said long, they would have said lower. I'm not going to admit to you guys. I mean, this trade was obviously not the best. I mean, in terms of before the trade, yeah, everything lined. We got the SMT, we got the inversion, everything was good. After the trade, obviously not as good. Bro, my throat feels like cactus, bro. You got stopped on the same tick. That's unfortunate. You know what's crazy? I even had my stop here, and I was like, you know what? Let me put it where it's give it a little bit more room because the retracement was deep. It's funny actually. Oh, we're almost past. We need. I don't even care. Just let it go to sell side. If it goes or not, doesn't matter. Let's watch ES closely here. Let's watch the 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart looks clean. We'll just watch the 2-minute. I'll do some quick math, but 40 times 7. Okay, let's do 50 times 7 is 350. That wouldn't be enough. Wait, no. 50 times. That's 25. 30 times 2. Whatever, bro. I'll just eyeball it. I don't even know if it's a winner yet. Anyone watch Invincible? I haven't I haven't seen that. 280? Yeah, we got some quick math people in the chat. Genuinely do not even care about the outcome. I just want to go make some tea. You take 7 minis? No. 7 micros, guys. 7 micros. 7. I'm not that guy, bro. I'm trading on this account. 7 micros. I would never. I don't even trade 1 mini, bro. US 30 is SMT? Yeah, you can. It is SMT. I prefer SMT with ES, though. Oh, pretty good fill, I guess. You got tickled and it's flying now? I wouldn't say flying. How did you not get stopped? I just put my stop here. My original stop was right here. How did I not get stopped? It didn't hit the stop loss, bro. I don't know what to tell you. That's why I didn't get stopped. There you go. You just got stopped to the tick. You guys all got stopped on 1 tick, huh? And I didn't get. I actually feel bad of you. Are you still in? I mean, we don't even know if it's a winner, guys. We don't even know if it's a winner. No point is, if you're gonna fume, at least wait and see if the trade plays out. You know? Taking any partials? Nah. It's because I'm literally like 20 points away from passing the account, so there's really doesn't make sense to take partials. If I were to take partials, I would have taken so already and inside this fair value gap, just because the trade was sloppy in delivery. So I'm just looking to pass the account. I can't do the math. I'm just gonna try to click the button when it says passed. If it, bro, if it keeps going lower, it'll be somewhere around here. Realistically, you could break even here and scan for re-entry. To be honest, I can't really be bothered. I want to see this be a breakaway. Does it make sense to break even here? Should we do this properly? So I'm thinking break even. If it hits us, simply scan for re-entry. How many times am I going to do that, though? Let's just leave it, bro. Who cares? Up here, at least. Shouldn't go that high. I was signal botting. I was signal botting Daddy Gaddy, and I made $1,500 today. Thank you, master. How much do you want from my payout? I just want to FaceTime you, bro. That's all I want, bro. But I'm sick right now, so give me some time if you plan on doing it. You do break even? You shorted at my SL and TP at my entry? Guys, the only reason I'm not partialing, listen, everyone listen closely, because I know half of you are signal botting. I'm break even on the funded account. On my eval, I'm literally like 20-ish points from passing. I'm not gonna partial. I'm just gonna let it go. It's 20 points. I'm pretty convinced it'll take the sell side. Just leave it at that. Okay. Orange box. I want to see it close below the orange box. Use it as resistance. How do you partial on TradeAvate? Just click market buy or sell opposing to which. So just click market buy. If you're in 7 long, here, you know what? Let's manage the position correctly for you guys. For those tripping out. So partial at the low of this. Just click buy. Boom. Done. Everyone's happy now. Everyone's happy. 3.9. Is that the rejection block? I don't know what 3.9 is, but sure, bro. Yeah, it's not bad. Can you trade for people? What does that even mean? Would you close the trade if ES takes out SSL? Yeah, I'm gonna close it on my funded as soon as ES takes out this low. Not messing around with that. Well, I mean, I'm break even, so we'll see. But yeah, on the thing is, I think ES can actually take previous day's low. Wait, previous day's low. So ES might actually go a little bit lower, and then, you know. All right, hold on. Let me focus. Did we pass? No, we didn't pass. You have to make 8K on alpha. Oh, I'm on a standard account. I thought it was 6K. I'm pretty sure it's 6K on the standard. Yeah, we can do a trade recap after this. We don't even know if it played out. Everyone's all excited and stuff. I mean, we did take partial. Technically, it did play out, but we don't even know. We don't even know the outcome of the trade yet, guys. Guy, how'd you get this good at trading? I've got 2 years and I'm still blowing evals. A lot of back testing. It's probably the main thing. So, small 2-minute fair value gap in there. Hopefully, that just takes us lower. I don't want to deal with no consolidation, especially because I want to go make some tea. Manage the position accordingly. Journaling. Like, I bet you, Sean, I could ask you a bunch of questions and a lot of your answers will, where's the next possible short entry? Wait. Did you comment? No, I didn't see your flu recipe. You bought it at 10:14. Oh, right here. I mean, yo, did you take TP? No short entry, bro. You missed it. Next short entry is when the next time your model forms, but market was very different for 2022. We're based on my bad testing. Oh yeah, I mean for sure. The volatility is increased. Every year is different. I mean, it depends on what's going on that year, bro. This year we got tariffs and Trump. 2 years ago we got COVID. Last year we had elections. Everything influences. Ignore me? No, I responded, bro. I said as long as you made money, bro. You're sick too, bro? Oh my god, bro. That's actually kind of goals. Sick together. It could just engineer the equal lows here again. I mean, it's possible. You're also sick? Welcome to the club. Looked for an entry and couldn't find one? Yeah. If your model didn't form, guys, it doesn't matter if someone else took the short. If your model didn't form, are you here to do your job or are you here to do someone else's job? I'm here doing my job. This is my job. Am I still confident? Eventually, we're going to take this low. Doesn't mean it has to happen right now, though. Look how slow it is. It's moving very slow. Starting to consolidate these last couple minutes. So, am I still confident it'll hit the low? Eventually. I don't know if this is the trade that'll get there, though. It might go sideways. Might even just close it if it inverses this small 2-minute and just call it. Three-minute there or something. I mean, our stop loss is at the 5-minute fair value gap. It could reach up for the 5-minute. Switch strategies? Why would I switch strategies? My strategy is profitable only at 2019 compared to 2022 and 2024. What should I do? Yes. If you're not profitable, that's why you backtest. If your model's not working consistently the way you want it to, you gotta adjust. It's all good. You don't have to change the whole model. You can always make adjustments. That's what I did. Moving averages suggests another high put in before we take the low. I'm actually curious what moving averages. But what am I doing, bro? What's a VWAP? I don't even know what that is. Moving average exponential. Come on, bro. Moving average breakout. I have a stop loss, guys. Guys, please remember, I am trading on other accounts on my second monitor. Okay, I am not trading. This is not a real account. My real account is over here. Okay, this is my real account. This is my real account. All right. 22 years old, brother. Unprofitable traders be hopping from strategy to strategy. I think it's better just to work on your strategy, the same one. All right, we can get an OB here. Just get out the trade. Go make some tea, bro, please. It's like they know I'm sick and they purposely. How do you scale up your funded account? I haven't scaled up my funded account. I just got it recently, and a lot of my trades have been pretty small. I've been risking pretty low, but it's not really my fault, bro. Some of these candles are literally like 80 points. So like I have to risk 1 micro, sometimes 2 micros, you know? And I can't. So and then I want to take partials, I can't. Like it's just tough. It's only really good for me on the 100K account, which is the one that's actually making significant progress. So. What is leverage and how do I use it? You just trade with an account. How many funded? I have 2 funded right now. If we win this trade, I'll have a 3rd funded. I think we just trail the stop here and call it. Trail the stop here. If it forms the LB, should respect anyways. If it doesn't form the LB, I don't want to be in the trade. It could soup us. It could soup us. But I genuinely just want to go make tea, bro. What chat are you reading? I have TikTok chat and YouTube chat. Twice 100K live. What? I don't understand. Have to have the stop on the IPG you enter. Exactly, bro. Like, how are you supposed to like have a good stop loss when your IPG is 100 points? That's way too much, bro. Like, I have to trade. I've been trading 1 micro on my funded. Is it normal that I don't see execution right after? It'll be after market close. Trading your full-time job? No. Bro, stop loss is cooked. Wait, why are you laughing at my stop loss? I remember you saying you was going to take a payout fast. Yep, as soon as I'm eligible. I haven't passed that account yet. That's this account right here. So this account, we need $600 more. We're in the trade. If it hits TP, we'll pass. If it doesn't hit TP, I mean, on this trade, let's leave it here. Because we're trying to pass it in 1 trade. No, this is the 100K eval. But I'm trading on my 100K funded. I mean, 50K funded. They don't know that you can't lose if you don't have a stop. True. Are you trading 1 micro till you make a buffer? I'm trading 1 micro until what? Trading one? No, that's not what I'm doing. I'm trading 1 micro because that's what my risk allows me to. Like the original trade we took, my stop loss was 62 points. So I have to choose. Do I risk 120 or do I risk 240? 240 is too much. I don't want to risk 240 on 1 trade on a 50K funded. That's too much for me. Did I not get called to top step live, bro? Not even close. Trail the stop. It's just a joke. I'm gonna close this on the funded and we'll just hope. We shall simply hope. The thing is, like, I think it's gonna come up to this 5-minute city. And our stop loss is not safe for this 5-minute city. It really just isn't. This is the 5-minute bearish fair value gap. We'll probably trade into there, and then I don't want to re-enter though. Are you married? No, I'm not married, not yet. I shouldn't risk 350. It's up to you. It's up to you. Oh my god, is it time? Is all we needed one soup? Internal to external? What in the consolidation? That's what I'm saying, bro. How old are you? 33. Turning 34 next month. You have two 100K lives. What's your average percentage monthly? No, I have two 50K funded right now. I took this on Express. I'm out on the Express. I'm out on the funded. Hit my trail stop. Yeah, man, 33. Can't you tell? Can't you tell the beard? It's a 33-year-old man's beard. Bro, I thought you was 25. I'm tripping. I'm 22, bro. I'm 22. I'm joking. How can you guys believe me, bro? Come on, man. You guys can't be so good. You're Unc? Oh, my goodness. Don't call me Unc, bro. You look 22? I am 22. All right, we're approaching a pass. Couple more points if we get it. Don't hit me. What's your percent? I don't have a number for you, bro. I haven't gotten a payout in a while. We got 3 payouts so far. How much average percentage? I mean, last month we did like 3%, 4%. If that means anything. Oh, we're so close to passing, bro. If this could just... Oh, it's literally edging. I'm gonna trail the stop to... I'm gonna trail the stop to this candle because I'm not about to mess around with that. Just looking for one lower low. Here, you guys can watch with me. This needs to say 6,000. Get me out of here, bro. Get me out of here. Let me go make breakfast, please. It's like they know, man. I swear it's like they know. Whoops. Let's just close trading view. Like they know. We're so out of this trade. We're so out of this trade. We're going to be really close to passing. It is what it is. All right. We're 250 away. Don't worry about the trading view account. It actually played out for me? No, it didn't really play out. I mean, am I really going to agree here for $250? My TP, I didn't have a TP. It was like my TP was like right here basically. This would have passed the account. I'll probably trade something in the PS. Just put it on red. Oh, that's how we're moving, huh? Do I just get in here? Alright, I'm gonna try to get in here. Hold on, guys. Don't. Everyone's saying don't. Everyone's saying don't. You finna buy? No. The most emotional trader ever? How am I emotional, bro? I feel like that was the most emotional. That was the most unemotional trade ever. Did he already trade today? We're done trading for today. I'm hoping this is the start of a loophole. You got scared? Okay, I mean, it's okay. Well, when did I get scared? Someone said not do it. Looking on the one. I mean, I'll probably just trade lunch or PM. It's such small risk. Yeah, we had a good short. I don't live on my own, guys. How many days? I didn't pass yet. We need one more trade. We need $250 more. Over announcing. If you got an idea, go along with it. Yeah, we're up on the day for sure. Then why you took it off? Oh, true. I see what you're saying. Why did I trail my stop so low? Good question. Why did I trade my stop so low? To secure the profits, I guess. Is trading a livable job without selling a course? Of course. The heroic stop was emotionally moving for me. How many days you were up 5K to pass the 100K? I've been trading this 100K for 2 weeks. Well, almost 2 weeks. This was the original trade. Where was the original trade? This was the original trade. Our stop was saved by 1 tick. I mean, it's not. I mean, yeah, I guess technically we could have just left the stop there and then just let it go. But I'd rather just secure it. I feel like. Yeah, we're up. No, we're up. We're up. We're up. We're up. We are up. I'll probably look to pass his account in the afternoon. We can try to fund it tomorrow. Try to fund it tomorrow. How many trades today? 3 trades, but to me, I know most of you are gonna disagree with this. I view them all as the same trade. It's the same trade idea. Simply took it 3 times. Wait, 2 times. 2 times. We took a protraction short and another protraction short. When do you think the market will be better? Once this tariff stuff settles down. Amazing insight today. Well done. Yeah, we did really good today. Today was a good day for sure. The same trade, nice sell model. Yep, exactly. Appreciate you, Dakota. How many accounts do I have in total? 4 accounts. 2 wins, 0 losses. One very, very tiny small win, pretty much break even, and then 1 win, 0 losses. Did we take a loss? Technically, we did take that 1 loss at the beginning, like $40 loss. You helped me give me cushion on my eval. I was going through it. Nice, bro. No, I won't go live PM. I'm probably gonna take like the fastest scalp you've ever seen. So for those of you who are not on the Discord, we're doing a free giveaway in the Discord if you want to participate. I don't know Hank Trades. If you want to participate in the giveaway, it's 3 steps. You have to join the Discord, follow these 3 steps. You can participate in a 100K giveaway. I want you guys all to join. If you go to right here, show all channels, then you can see the giveaway channel. Participate in the giveaway. I'll be live again tomorrow. I'm not gonna trade the funded again today, but I will. If I see something in the afternoon, maybe we'll try to just pass the eval quickly. Oh look, this guy passed. Oh shoot, he blew 5. Oh no. Oh, this is old. And then he passed. The invite's invalid. Is it really? Did I close manually? No. I trailed my stop to the most recent up candle's high and closed. Trailed my stop here. Trailed my stop right there. Hey, Geartails. See you later, Ryan. The invite is invalid for the Discord. It should be fine. Which link's not working, Ray? Rayan. Probably takes outside PM like you're dead. No, it might happen. Oh yeah, literally it might happen right now. That would have been past account right there. Yeah, bro, appreciate you. YouTube? YouTube in... This would have been TP, guys. Hit on yes. So yeah, in hindsight, we could have just kept it. But I mean, we're basically like the smallest trade from passing, so I'll probably just go for like half an hour trade. We close the trade, yes. Alright guys, I'm gonna go make some tea. I cannot handle this anymore. I appreciate everyone coming through. Brian, I'll check that link out. I'm gonna check it out right now, actually. I love Ryan, appreciate you, bro. Yo, we're on a pretty good win streak, guys. It's been a couple days now since we've had a losing day. We've taken losing trades. Wait, can you send me the recipe again? Or sorry, Al? Oh. Discord invite. I think the Discord invite works. I mean, for me, it works. Try that link. If you want to join the Discord, this is the link. Don't look at the charts. I mean, that was on me. I'm gonna be straight up. That was probably the most little decision. I was trading P&L there for sure, right? That was a P&L based decision. But I mean, when you're that close to passing, you kind of have to adjust, right? You kind of have to adjust. Yeah, you missed your entry. It's fine, bro. You didn't get entry. You didn't get entry. It is what it is. What's the next target? September low. Yeah, I think September low was always the drawn liquidity for me. I knew we were bearish, bro. Full port now. I'm 250 away from passing 100K. I can risk 125 for 2R. Very simple. What's up, Dean? Full port short. Why would I full port? I don't even need a full port TTB. Yo, just 15 gap. Can I try to catch that pull BCJ? Oh, the pullback? No. You guys don't need permission from me, man. I was in 4% drawdown. Now I'm up 1%. Nice, bro. Yep. That's how it's done. Just keep following the rules. Keep doing your job and see what happens. I'm going to trade the main tomorrow instead of the micro. Oh, you're feeling frisky, huh? I guess that was a P&L based decision. I'll definitely put that in my journal. Is the kill zone the same? No, the kill zones are not the same. For Forex, kill zone 7 to 10 instead of 8:30 to 11. Recap before you leave. All right, very simple recap. Okay, so we took 2 small wins, and I'm going to recap why we were bearish in the trade that we took. Main reason we were bearish is because we closed below the bearish fair value gap on the daily. We have an engineered low right here, and the monthly low right here is our higher time frame drawn liquidity. We also took previous day's low and closed below, so going into the day, we were bearish. So how did price action form? We had a reversal model at 9:30, which was right here. Although I did not catch this move, we had a short opportunity off first presentation, and I missed this move. So I was looking for a re-entry opportunity. There was nothing really looking here for a re-entry. None of my models formed, but we eventually traded back into a 15-minute bearish fair value gap, which is right there. And then we had the CISD in the breaker. So the first trade that we took today was off of this breaker. We had a trade like this. We were looking for something like this. So original trade played out. Obviously what I did here was we ended up taking partials here. We got stopped out, and then I re-entered again off of this inversion, and we had a trade like this, something like this, and we ended up taking another TP. So could have managed the position better, could have just held the original position, but I like being nimble, and that's basically what happened today. Yeah. Win rate, how much per 100 backtested trades? I can do you one better. In 2024, we had a 75% win rate. If you include correct bias, so when including trades where my bias was correct and the model formed, 85%. 2023 was 60% win rate. If you include trades with correct bias, it was closer to 75. So I'm basically fluctuating depending on my bias being correct or not. It all depends if your bias is correct, right? I mean, I feel like most people, when you have the correct bias, you can find a winning trade setup. You said Alpha Future has no trailing drawdown on website. I said trailing. No, I never said no trailing drawdown. I said when you request payout, the maximum loss limit does not get set to 0. Yeah, I can do another backtest session. How does trailing drawdown work? It means you have $2,000 to work with at all times, no matter what your balance is, until you get to a certain buffer. Then it stops trailing. What's the best video about buys? I like my video. How can you spot cities? Cities are bearish fair value gap. So first candle is not. You just watch my video on it on YouTube. I have a full video on fair value gap. It's probably one of the best videos you'll watch. Not even trying to glaze myself. It just probably is one of the best videos. How can I adjust the kill zones for Forex, Asia, London, New York? Everything else is the same. All you have to do is change New York to 7 to 10. $200 away from passing 450Ks. Nice, bro. I believe in you. Simply risk 100 to make 200. 2R. Yep, all my models are on my YouTube channel. All the models are on YouTube. I'll make sure I journal today diligently. Anyway, I appreciate everyone coming through. The win streak continues. Although we haven't been able to secure a lot of profits because of the size of the candles on the funded, we're going to pass probably another 100K account, assuming everything goes correctly. Imagine if we end up blowing that account, man, that'd be crazy. You passed your alpha today. Nice, bro. Did you get the discount on it? I want to see who's using the discount code. I closed the trade manually. If I had, I would have won the trade. That would happen. Happens all the time. That's good, Zay. Zay, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about. Let me know what you think about. Oh, you got the advanced. Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, I wish I had the advanced, but I already got the standard, so I'm just gonna use the standard. But when I go for a buy here, never. Okay. On a real note, when I look for a buy, if we get a breaker, the only thing you can really do is look for 50%. Which high would you anchor this to? I guess your 930 high. You'd have to look for something like this high safe, right? So you'd probably look to TP around here if we get a breaker. Which time frame, to mark out buys? Daily chart, always. I use your discount on my 50Ks. Nice, bro. I appreciate you guys. I mean, it's good for you guys too. Just get the discount. All right. If you guys are not entered in the giveaway, I'm sure most of you guys are if you guys already have alpha accounts. But we're running a 100K giveaway in the Discord if you want to participate in that. I am going to go make some tea. Yeah, if we get a breaker block here, you can look for a long. But I'd only look to target premium, so it's really not the best. That's why I don't like taking trades like this. Oh, you too, Ryan? Nice, bro. Use it for 2 accounts. Appreciate you, Parth. All right, I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live again tomorrow. Make sure you enter the giveaway. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate everyone coming through. Take care, Damon. Appreciate you guys. Peace. I'll post the trade recap.